morning time.
It's the best part of the day. I hear someone, I hear joyful. No, it's Bubba.
Good morning, Bubba. We got up at 6 this morning, and it's really starting to feel like winter is coming. Yesterday morning it was 33 degrees. Not so cold this morning, but we've got a fire started. It's totally dark outside. You can still see all the stars.
You can say, this is our cat, Matt.
He's 3. Mommy, what's them doing?
They're clipping Rosie's hooves. We are working on our family presentation at our homeschool club this morning. So we're gonna show our farm.
No way.
Bye, you can get on. Bye.
Bye. Cracked my lens cover. That's why you have them, so maybe I should just take it off. I hate having an unprotected lens, so things are gonna look a little bit funny. We got a new fence charger in the mail. We're tired of dealing with escaped animals. Let's get a baseline, see where we're at. This is reading actually really strong, 4,000 volts. The fence is currently on a solar charger. And the reason it's reading so high is because it was off for a full day of charging, and then I turned it back on. That's hot enough to keep animals in, but with these solar chargers, we've just had kind of inconsistent results. Come on out, everybody. I'm gonna shut this solar charger off and disconnect it from the fence before I install this new charger. This new charger is called the Cube Argus 4000. It's a 2-joule fence charger. And the big difference here is it's AC. It's plug-in. I'm attaching it to the smoke shed. I was considering putting it in the crawl space under the house, but there's a small fire risk with any fence charger. There's the tip of my 6-foot ground rod, just sticking out about this much. For any charger, you pretty much need 1.5 feet of ground rod per joule of output. So for 2 joules, we've got a 6-foot ground rod. Around here, grounding isn't as big an issue because the soil stays pretty damp year round. I'm going to connect my ground. I'm going to connect that down here to my grounding rod with a clamp. Pretty secure, galvy to galvy. I'm connecting my hot wire in here. That hot wire is connected to 100 feet of heavy duty, berry ready insulated wire that's going to run out to my fence now. Here we are on the other end of that 100-foot cable, And this is going to connect into the end of my fencing system right here with about 100 wraps. You don't want to touch that in a minute, Mr. Brownie. Okay, so the basic system's set up. It's run. Obviously my wire's not underground. I think I'm going to put it underground in a hose or a pipe, ideally to make it last longer. But we're ready to turn it on and see how it looks. I'm about to plug this up with an extension cord. Now, for the record, Premier One, who I bought this charger from, they say not to use extension cords to chargers. So my choices were, because I don't yet have electricity in my outbuildings, was to put the charger in the crawl space under the house or use an extension cord out here to this shed. And I read and read looking for information both on fire risk with chargers in houses and on how much power you lose when you run an extension cord to a charger. And that's their objection. It's performance, not safety. So you can have a small amount of power lost through an extension cord. What I read though, and this is my personal conclusion, you'll have to figure this out for yourselves. These chargers draw so few watts that I believe it's going to have a minimal impact with the weight of the extension cord, and it's not a real long extension cord. So this is what I'm doing. This is reassuring. Doesn't that charger just look tough? It's made in Germany, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Germany. Alright, the proof is in the voltage. So let's see how this looks here. It would have been fun if it was more. So that's reading at 4,000 volts. That's great. I'm happy with that. As long as the fence is hot and consistently hot. Again, that was our problem with the solar chargers. If it's hot and it's consistently hot, then that's a thumbs up. Well, things got busy on me. I planned on checking all my fence lines and fixing my weed eater, but life happened. We ran out to town twice for sports and school activities, and ran out to our little town, and now it's after soccer practice and I'm out here by this beautiful river, and I'm not sure, I think this will probably be the last shot of the video. And just in case it is, I'm gonna say it's been another great day on the homestead. Thanks for joining us for that short little video about our fence charger.